Is your Facebook ads account suddenly restricted, halting your marketing momentum? Don't panic. This video will guide you through fixing your restricted Facebook ads account, step by step, getting you back to running successful campaigns in no time. The first crucial step is identifying why your account is restricted most commonly. This stems from a violation of Facebook's advertising policies. These cover areas like prohibited content a circumflex euros. Think fake news, misleading claims, or hate speech a circumflex euros, and restricted content, which includes regulated goods like alcohol or gambling, even seemingly minor issues like misleading ad copy or poor user experience after clicking an ad, can trigger a restriction. Take a moment to review your recent ads and your account history for any potential policy breaches. Another frequent culprit is payment problems. Facebook needs to be able to process your ad spend. Check your payment methods. Is your credit card expired? Has it been declined? Are there insufficient funds? Sometimes, Facebook flags unusual payment activity as suspicious. Ensure your billing information is up to date and that your payment method is valid and has sufficient credit or funds available. If you've reviewed the policies and checked your payments and still can't pinpoint the issue, or if you believe the restriction was a mistake, it's time to appeal. Navigate to the Facebook Ads Help Center. You'll usually find a direct link or instructions for appealing account restrictions. Be prepared to provide as much detail as possible about your business, your ad campaigns, and why you believe the restriction should be lifted. Honesty and clarity are key here. For those dealing with suspicious activity flags, Facebook might have temporarily restricted your account to protect you or other users. This could be due to unusual login attempts, rapid changes in ad spend, or if your account was compromised. In such cases, Facebook often provides specific steps to verify your identity, which might involve confirming personal details or providing documentation. Follow these prompts carefully. Once you've submitted an appeal or completed verification steps, patience is essential. Facebook's review process can take some time, so avoid submitting multiple appeals unless instructed. Keep an eye on your email and Facebook notifications for updates if your appeal is successful. Your ad privileges will be reinstated, allowing you to get back to reaching your audience and achieving your marketing goals.